Yo guys, welcome back to Loop Connections channel. Today we're gonna learn how to play correctly on bass Hip to Be Square by Huey Lewis and the News. I made a cover of this song. If you want, check it out. Now, let's go. First, Hip to Be Square, we can split it in three parts. Intro, which is equal to the verse and to the chorus with some minor changes, and to the outro. The bridge with the horns, and the pre-chorus. So now, let's dive into the intro. The intro goes like this. Okay, now the original bass part is played with a thumb pick, the cursed one, but I'm not gonna play it with the thumb pick because I'm too scared. So, what is going on here? Basically, the riff, it goes like this. Now, you take the 7th fret, 3rd string, so E, then 2 lower E, quindi E, E. Most players plays like this, just 2 notes, 2 E, but it's 3 E. So, and then you go to the G sharp, which is the 3rd of E. Okay, so E, G, then G, A. All right, so. Okay, again. Then there's A, B, D. So, and then back to E. E, G, A, B, D. Now, slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. At the end, there's this variation. So, E, G, A, B, D, E. So the first part is the same as the previous one. And then here, instead of doing, it goes G, A, B, D, E. Let's play the intro at the original speed with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. I used to be, and then back to, and then we're going to the verse. The verse is similar to the intro because the verse goes like this. And then to the pre-chorus. But what is different? We don't play ba-na-na-na, but just, alright, so E, G, A, B, D, E, G, A. So, for the verse, you have to do this. Not just, you don't play a G sharp. This is wrong for the verse, and this is correct. Before the pre-chorus, it goes back to, and then there's another lick. So E, 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 G, 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 A, G, A, D, E, G, A. Okay, so the verse is just two parts. This one and the last part, which is then to the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus goes like this. Okay, now let's see the notes. So there's an A chord, so alright, and then G, so 7 A, G, 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 G. Alright, not my friend Gigi from the restaurant, but the G note, G, 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 G. Okay, so A, G, 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 A, B, 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 E. And then there's this lick. Oh yeah! The lick goes G sharp, B, C sharp, E, F sharp. So, alright. So, together, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, A, B, E. Lick. Okay? There are 3 pre-chorus. Sometimes the bass goes straight, and sometimes it has a legato note. So sometimes when you go to the G, you have to play the 8th note, and sometimes you have a quarter and then the 8th note. So this is with the 8th note, and this is with the quarter. Okay, now the last part of the pre-chorus, when you go to the F sharp, G sharp, A, B, it's up to B square. Okay, now all the pre-chorus together. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, G, A, B, E, lick, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, it's up to B square. Before we dive into the chorus, I want to talk about the harmony in the that actually happens in the pre-chorus. So A major, G major, A major, B. When the bass hit the B, the others plays a D chord, a D major chord. And what does that mean? It's a D over B. So it's a B minor 7. Alright? And then E major, F sharp, it's a F sharp minor 7. G sharp, it's not a G sharp minor 7, it's a E over G sharp. An A, but this A is not an A major, is a G over A. Okay? And then there's the B, and the B is not a B major, is a major over B. Okay? So now let's move on to the chorus. The chorus is similar to the intro. And actually the first chorus is equal to the intro, but the second one, which is a double chorus, has a little break in the middle. Let's hear it. Okay? Let's play the second chorus together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then after the second chorus, there's the bridge section. The bridge section goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there are only two notes. It's in the octave. E, 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 E. Alright, that's the pattern. Dun 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 dun. Then before the last bar plays like this. All right, so it's F sharp 2 times, then G sharp, A, B, B, D, D sharp, E. Okay, again, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, B, D, D sharp, E. Again, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, B, D, D sharp, E. Original tempo, 2 bars from the sax solo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the sax solo, we don't play the break, so we go straight forward. Then there's the other verse. Then there's the double pre-chorus. The double pre-chorus is it's the same as the original pre-chorus, but it does this variation. So A, G, A, B, E. Licks. A, G, A, B, E. So basically the pre-chorus is doubled because we play the first part twice. A, G, A, B, E. A, G, A, B, E. What's going on here? Mario uses the same idea from the bridge. So it's just, and then it's up to B square. Now this little extra part goes like this. Slower. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. E. That I'm crazy. Don't tell me I'm too sharp. Take it from me. It's up to B square. Then, basically, this is the song. The outro is played over the second chorus. But in the outro, there's a lick Mario plays, a cool lick. simple but cool lick. It's this one. Basically, and there's the stop now. Instead of playing nothing, he plays this cool riff. Okay? Basically, the first part is the same. But when you hit the second A, you slide to the 12th fret, and with the pinky you play the 12th fret on the first string, and then the 9th fret. So it's G, E. And then slide back to the E, because you have to go back to the E. So lick. Yeah. Now let's play the outro, one time with no lick, one time with the lick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, there, and everywhere. Hip, hip, so hip to be square. Here, there, and everywhere. Hip, here, there, and everywhere. Lick. Yeah, and so on. Now, this is basically all the song. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you guys for watching these videos. Please share, subscribe, thumbs up. Let me know in the comment your feedbacks about these songs. And most importantly, stay love!